Are you thinking of stuffing envelopes at home as a way to earn extra money? Well, if you are, I'm going to convince you otherwise. And we're starting right now. Hey, welcome. I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. In this video, we're going to talk about envelope stuffing jobs, right? If you've been thinking about stuffing envelopes at home for extra money, be sure to watch this entire video. All right. And if you don't, you may be disappointed. All right. So first thing I did, shedding some light on this whole situation of stuffing envelopes from home as a real job. First thing I did is I went to Google. Check it out. So I searched in Google envelope stuffing job, and this is what popped up. And you can do this yourself also. So I scrolled down just a little bit, and these are the most frequently asked questions on Google. And this one, it says, people also ask, is there a legitimate envelope stuffing job? So if you click on the table here and it drops down, you'll see that says both the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and the Better Business Bureau have alerts on their website warning people of this scam. In fact, the United States Postal Service says that envelope stuffing is the most common work-at-home scam. So not only did I do the research for you guys, but I actually found a website, a real website that I scoured the internet for, and found one of these envelope stuffing from home jobs, right? And be sure to watch this full video because I have a real opportunity for you at the very end. All right, I want to bless you with a treat. But let me share with you this website that I found. All right, look how ugly this website actually is. All this text, right? And look, they even have a mascot, Marty the Mailman, right? Marty the Mailman. Oh my God, guys. If you're thinking that you're going to pay your bills, your mortgage, your car note, your student loan debt, right? Your credit card bills with an opportunity like this, you're sadly mistaken. Look how fuzzy these pictures are. Look how outdated this look like my son put this website together, right? Ridiculous. And this is even the same site, but it's a different page, right? And look, they got glitter, guys. Who are they attracting? Kids? Are they attracting teenagers? When you have a real business and a real opportunity, you don't need glitter and sparkles to get customers. All right? If you guys are thinking that you're going to build a real business, that you're going to put real income in your family's lives to pay your bills and to survive in this crazy expensive world, you're sadly mistaken. All right? So I just want to share with you this, and then I want to share with you a real opportunity. All right, don't be fooled by these type of work at home scams. All right, but if you're looking for something real, if you're looking for a real opportunity and a real way to make money from home, I want to introduce you to affiliate marketing. All right, affiliate marketing is when you pair with a company, a reputable company, and you market this company's products for a commission, right? And different companies have different commissions as saying thank you for advertising their business and bringing in new customers, right? Huge companies, guys, companies that we all like and trust already. Amazon has an affiliate program. Walmart has an affiliate program. Reebok has an affiliate program. Target has an affiliate program, and thousands of other companies, real companies that you can partner with. First, you have to apply to be an affiliate, but they give you a link to where you can advertise this link across the web, the internet, that's tied to your account. And when somebody clicks on that link and purchase something, the company pays you. You don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to deal with shipping or holding products. It is one of the easiest ways, and in my opinion, the easiest way to make money online. And I want to share with you affiliate marketing online with high ticket products, right? Big commissions, earning up to $500 a pop, $1,000 a pop, sometimes even up to $1,500 a commission for high ticket affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in that, click on my website, royalsmindset.com, right under this video in the description. Click on my website at royalsmindset.com and watch a video. Right, you're going to see more about me and my story, and then you'll see an opportunity to start a real online business. All right, something that's going to be here 10 years from now. And if it's right for you, I highly suggest that you take action. All right, action takers definitely get rewarded in this industry of affiliate marketing. In fact, when I first got started in affiliate marketing back in 2012, here's a picture actually with me and John Blaze, right? This is a Facebook post of him sharing his story on Facebook on how he was fired from his job, let go, and how he built a $20,000 per month online business. Now, this is what's possible with affiliate marketing. Now, of course, I can't guarantee you this type of income, but I can show you the company that I'm with, that I've partnered with, that I put my trust into, and for you to have this same opportunity, because that's what I'm doing for me and my family. And this is how I'm going to win big, is by starting an online business with affiliate marketing. And you have that opportunity as well, all right? Because glitter and sparkles, if that's how they're enticing you, they don't have a real business. Teenagers might be excited for this, right? Glitters and sparkles. But if you want a real opportunity to build a real business, like John did back in 2012, and I met him in 2013 when I first got started in this industry, even though I did quit, for almost 5 years, and I came back to this industry, I'm here to stay, guys, and I want to pull as many people up as I can with me. All right, so if you want a real opportunity, click on my website, royalsmindset.com. You'll be able to watch a video. If it's the right fit for you, if you think this is something for you, definitely get started. But I don't see why it's not, right? We have old ladies in this business that barely know how to use a computer making money from home online. We've got people from different countries across the globe, where English isn't even their first language, right? The language barrier, and they're making money online. And then you got me, right? A high school diploma. All I got is a high school diploma, guys. I'm not no smarter than you. I just messed that sentence up, right? I'm not smarter than you. That's what I'm saying. I don't have any special skills, right? But I do know how to follow a blueprint. I am coachable, and I do know how to take what's working from 6 and 7 figure marketers that are building businesses online. I learn from them and I implement, which is why I'm building a business of my dreams and the income of my dreams. So over time, you're going to be watching my YouTube channel grow. You're going to be seeing me post more income proof and all that. But if you're serious and looking for a real shot and a real chance to make some big money online, visit my website. All right. So that's all I got for you. Just want to let you know, do not trust these scams. All right. I wish I had somebody telling me these type of things when I first got online, because I joined a bunch of companies when I first got it online, that pay you, peanuts, right? Peanuts, $1. Like one company I joined was GDI, which I should probably do a review on, where they pay you $1 per month per person you bring into the business. So if you want to make $50,000 a month or residual income, right, you need to bring 50,000 people into the business. You know how hard that is? Which is why I didn't make any money in that company, right? High ticket affiliate marketing is where it's at. A lot of people are winning online, and you should get started. All right. So that's all I got for this video. Like this video. Also, if you missed the video where I share with you how my exact strategy, how I'm building my $10,000 per month online business, my exact strategy, then you're going to want to watch this video that popped up. Other than that, guys, keep learning, keep growing. There's lots of ways to make real income online for you and your family. All right, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.